That's tough. That was tough.
And good morning from across the pond. Wembley Stadium is the venue. The Falcons and the Jags get set to get together. But, Jeff, this is a football team that needs to get back to playing good football. This is suddenly a very big game for the Jaguars.
Hey, bro, let's do this. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's go, man. Hey, I got your back all day, baby. Let's go, baby. I got your back. Let's go. Let's rock out. Shaq.
Well, and that kind of football is one that gives you a chance to win. You know, complementary football where all three phases pick each other up. And the offense needs to find a rhythm. And most importantly, Tony, they need to find a way to start fast to gain some positive momentum early here at Wembley.
3rd down and 5, and you're right, it is a big one here. They converted one a moment ago, the second 3rd down of this drive. This is the opening drive of the game. The Jags had the ball first. The Falcons won the toss and deferred. One to the right, Trevor drops. Looking, fires right side. That is intended for Evan Ingram, but he was well covered. It's an incomplete pass. And on comes Logan Cook and the punt team. Jeff Okudah had the coverage for Atlanta. Logan stands inside his 30. Mike Hughes waits around the 15 for Atlanta. There's the punt. Hughes is going to let it bounce. Can we get this thing down? Nice job by Jacob Harris, the gunner down there, and they will down it. He knocked it backwards from the 3-yard line, but they'll down it around the 6-yard line. 3rd down here, 3rd and 9 from the 8-yard line. Ritter drops, fires out of the backfield. That's Bijan Robinson in the right flat. Made a man miss, but he's going to be tackled, I believe, short of 1st down yardage.
Hey, way to get to the ball. Hey, it's going to take Mike to the ball now.
Play fake by Trevor. Scrambling to his left now. He can run it. Got some room if he wants it. He does. 40. 45 near midfield. He's out of bounds in Falcons territory. Terrific run by Trevor Lawrence. Grant ran him out of bounds. Here we go. 4th down. Dropping is Trevor. Looking. Fires middle of the field. That ball's going to be caught, and that's a 1st down. Christian Kirk in the middle of the field. All out blitz now. Trevor steps away from one blitzer, looks downfield, fires toward the end zone. Caught for the touchdown! In the right corner of the end zone, Calvin Ridley against his old team, and Jacksonville strikes first.
Y'all see that celebration? Oh my God! That's not enough.
I was right there on the sideline. You're not. It was the case, right?
And an outstanding play by Trevor Lawrence because the Falcons bring pressure. And there's an unblocked guy coming on Trevor Lawrence's right side, and that looks like it's the safety, Richie Grant. Trevor makes a miss, and the Falcons have a blown coverage in the back end because A.J. Terrell is not covering his zone, and Calvin Ridley is wide open.
Shotgun for Desmond Ritter. Jags are going to blitz him here. Dropping, scrambling, and it's going to get hit. It's going to get sacked. Josh Allen got him back around the 26-yard line. And with that sack, Josh Allen now has the 4th most sacks in team history. His 4th sack of the year back at the 26-yard line of Atlanta.
Well, that one really should go down as a defensive line sack overall because they did a really good job of squeezing the entire pocket. Fatukasi, Big Roy Robertson Harris, and Josh, all he does is just catch Ritter on the way down. Good job overall.
That's how we rush together. We all gonna eat. We all gonna eat. Let's keep hunting, man.
They stay heavy. Hand stays in the game, but it's a play fake by Trevor. Fires downfield. That is caught by Christian Kirk. Dove to the ground, got up, and is tackled around the 40-yard line of the Atlanta Falcons for 29 yards. On comes Brandon McManus. This will be 56 yards from the left hash. Cook puts it down. McManus kicks it up. The 56-yard field goal is good with plenty to spare. McManus drills it, and Jacksonville leads 10-0. Third down and 9. Falcons from their own 45-yard line. Shotgun for Ritter. The Jags are coming. They're all coming. He scrambles out of there, and they're going to sack him. Josh Allen got him again. The second of the day for Josh Allen. The blitz worked, and Atlanta's going to have to punt it back to Jacksonville.
Stay right.
You don't hit nothing?
And we acting like dead toys.
Andy's coming.
Andy's coming.
Andy's coming.
Andy's coming.
There's that play action Booger's looking for. Robinson in motion. Ritter throws, intercepted. Darius Williams has it for the Jags, and he might be gone. Flames coming out of his cleats. A 61-yard pick six for the Jags.
What a great read by Darius Williams. He literally jumps the route in front of the wide receiver, Drake London. This is the first interception that Darius Williams has had since going all the way back to November of 2020. And what a big moment to get it when his team needed it on the road at Wembley. And now they're having fun. Group celebrations in the end zone. Great job.
In the locker room before we board the plane.
No, I know. I remember that.
I said,
Yeah, you
I got the hardest celebration.
Yeah.
Andy's coming in the room.
Yeah.
Turn around, we fall out. And they go right. That's I said, bro, no, it's not. It's for the kids. 1995 Toy Story. That's for the kids, man.
We cannot wait. We're just 4.5 minutes away from Duke Kaboom's halftime Daredevil Spectacular. Desmond Ritter on first down. Fires. It's picked off again. Andre Sisco's got it for the Jags. He fumbles the football, but it's recovered by his teammate, Foye Oluokun. That's back-to-back passes from Desmond Ritter, intercepted, and a 25-yard return has the Jags in the red zone.
Well, once again, excellent read by a Jaguars defender. This time it's Andre Sisco from that deep center field safety position. He jumps in front of Kyle Pitts, the tight end, and Ritter was looking at him the whole way. Great job by Sisco of catching the ball because he had to do it diving.
Hey! Bro, that's beautiful.
What am I doing?
That's beautiful.
Bro, who punched that?
Bro, that's beautiful.
Kind of a nightmarish first half for the Falcons quarterback. 17-zip for the Jaguars, trying to get a much-needed second victory on the season.
And it's just been all Jaguars. The Jaguars from the very get-go played very well in this thing. They have dominated the game. Trevor Lawrence thrown for over 100 yards. They've done well offensively, but it's been the defense that has really harassed Desmond Ritter.
Guys down in the locker room, there was a feisty coaching staff that was imploring this team to finish the game. The common theme, particularly on defense, do right longer. They're really on the guys about staying on the details, finishing the game the right way. On offense, Doug Peterson said, we got to win third down. We need to come away with plays in those situations.
Third down. Duval chants in the crowd. Now they've got some motion. They just get it off. Ritter drops the throw, fires to the corner of the end zone. That ball is going to be caught for the touchdown by Drake London. And the Falcons are on the board for the first time today.
Hey, can you turn it up, bro?
London, yard or abroad, when the wheels touch down, we go cause a commotion. Rockstar, we set the bar, tell them hold the applause, we don't need no promotion.
English football here.
Jacob, tight.
And the crowd singing Sweet Caroline as we begin the final quarter. Jacksonville trying to keep things going, build on this lead. They're still going. Flip short here. Ingram's got it. They're still singing Sweet Caroline as the Jags move the ball to the Falcons 41. They might sing the rest of the quarter.
Take it hard on me.
Bro, they was singing loud as.
They blitz. Trevor steps up. Looks like he wants to run it. He dives forward for the first down. I mean, he absolutely launched himself forward head first to the 30-yard line for a first down.
We're more athletic than them. Like, we can get you to the edge. Same thing. You get to the edge, take 5 or 6 every time. You're going to beat them every time.
They go for it on 4th and 3 from the 6-yard line. Rolling to the right is Ritter. Hit as he let it go, and that ball is going to be incomplete. Drake London caught it, got a foot down, but Trey Herndon belted him out of bounds. He could not get the second foot down. It's incomplete, and the ball goes over on downs to the Jaguars. Stripped out of there by Josh Allen. That's a fumble. And the Jags take over. Sack stripped by Josh Allen. And the Jags recover it. And that ought to do it.
Now Josh Allen just got his 3rd sack of the ball game, his 2nd game this year that he got 3 sacks. He did it against the Colts. And an excellent job of coming from the backside of Desmond Ritter and doing the old tomahawk chop. Big play by the defense.
And a much-needed victory for the good guys. Jacksonville 23, Atlanta 7.
Feels great. Just glad to get another dub. Anytime you get a dub, even if it's over in London, it's awesome. Duval!
Hey, man. Speech. Hey, that's how y'all respond, man. From the first play to the last play, bro. That's how you respond. But it started on Monday. Yeah. Then that went to Tuesday. Then went to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's how y'all want it, man. Now let's keep it on the shit, man. I love every one of y'all, man. I get emotional in it.
Hey, defense, listen to me. Great job, man. Great job, great job, great job. Offense, hey, offense, when you needed it, ball was at the 10-yard line, you went down and got points. Ball was at the 6-yard line, you went down and got points. There you go. Great job. And Brandon, great job kicking the football today. But hey, just like Josh said, man, just like Josh said, team effort all the way around, and this is what we're capable of doing, right? It's right here in front of us. Great job. Way to respond. All right, but before we get out of here, we got to get one. 1, 2, 3.